Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will actually show you a FFmpeg media converter that I developed inside Next.js, which allows you to convert your video and audio from one format to another. This is actually the landing page of this application. I'm just running this on localhost 3000, and this is a Next.js project. You will see we are running this on localhost 3000. I've also deployed this project on Vercel.com as well. You can check out, the link is given in the description. And first of all, let me show you the functionality of this FFmpeg media converter. So if you click this button, open converter, so it will actually load the necessary FFmpeg libraries which are there. So if you see, it is running, it is downloading those libraries in the background. So once it is downloaded, you can see currently loading this, and you will now see this interface. Here you can drag and drop your media files such as images or videos. So you can choose any media file that you have inside your computer. So first of all, let me show you an example of a MP4 file. This is actually a video file. So you can see the file has been successfully added in the application, and this is actually, you can play the video as well. If you play the, if I turn on the volume, be showing a Visual Studio. So it also comes with the video player as well. You can just check, play the video as well right here. You don't need to. And then there is an convert to file type. There is a drop down here, and you can basically convert the video into MP3 wave. You can extract the audio which is there in the video to a MP3. So if I click MP3, there is also a progress bar. So if I click the convert button, you will also see a nice little progress bar which will actually show the user how much time is remaining. So you will see that we are actually calculating how much time, how much progress have been made. So it runs from 0 to 100%. So when it completes, your video will be successfully converted into MP3, and you will be able to download the output file. So this is a fully fledged single page application, guys, in Next.js that I developed, FFmpeg media, video, and image converter. If you need the full source code, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code of this project from my website procodestore.com. After you purchase it, you will actually get a zip file from Google Drive. You can see that after downloading it, after completing the progress bar, you will simply get a download button right here. If you click it, your video has been successfully converted to MP3 file. So all the audio has been saved in an MP3 file, and you can click start over to start again. You can drag your video, or if you have some MP3 file that you want to convert, you can even do that as well. So if you see, if you have a MP3 file as well, you can even do that as well. So you will see this is actually a MP3 file. You can see that. So you can play this in an audio player as well. So after, you can select whichever format that you want to convert this audio file: MP3, WAV, OGG, M4A, FLAC, AAC. Click convert. So again, the same process. It will actually show us a nice little progress bar. When it reaches 100%, you will see this download button. So the link is given, guys. You can also, at the checkout page, you can see the live demo link which I deployed on Vercel. You can basically first of all check out the application before purchasing it. So I deployed this on Vercel. So this link you will find out on the product checkout page. So you can visit the demo before purchasing it. So you, if you're watching it for the very first time, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. You can see our audio file has been converted and it has been downloaded. So this is on the overall project, guys. It is coded inside Next.js in TypeScript. You will see that all these components is TypeScript based. You will see that converting progress, download output, drop zone, file type selection, metadata. It also comes with this own little video player which you can play audio files and video files as well. And it is under the hood, it is using FFmpeg. If you don't know about FFmpeg, it's an open source video and audio processing library. This is their official website, and we are actually executing FFmpeg in the browser using WebAssembly. FFmpeg WebAssembly is actually a tool which allows you to execute FFmpeg library without having to install it as a dependency inside your computer. So you don't need to have FFmpeg installed for this application. It will directly download FFmpeg and execute it in the browser using FFmpeg WebAssembly. So we are actually using this package and as a base to actually build this application. So all these conversions that you see, if we select the file, all this thing is happening due to FFmpeg. It is actually converting these videos from one format to another. So if I want to convert this video to FLV, I will simply click convert, and all these progress bar that you see right here, it is actually we are calculating how much time is remaining inside this component that you see converting progress. So this is actual overall component responsible for showing the progress bar, and you can see that. So we have this progress bar which progress multiplied by 100, so it is giving this value. Label color is green. You can also change the progress bar color as well. So if you don't need the green color, you can change the blue. So now the progress bar color will change. You will see it will change to blue color. So you can in real time you can change it. Just if you have the code, you will see you can make these slight little modifications in the user interface as well. So that's why I'm telling you the link is given. If you need this source code, it's a very good project if you are applying for a job. If you have any sort of school or college related project, it would be a good starting point to understand FFmpeg WebAssembly library and how to integrate them inside the modern technologies such as Next.js. And if you see the pages, we have this app level component, which is the overall component right here. This is a convert page, which is the main file right here. And inside this, we are actually loading all these three libraries, which is the core FFmpeg library. This is the WebAssembly library. If you go to these overall links, so here we are using this, we are loading these libraries. If you paste the link, you will see this GIFs of the FFmpeg. It's a 23 megabyte file. So in this way, these are different files that we are loading. So you can copy paste the link right here in the browser. It will give you these minified codes. So it's a FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So here we are simply loading them whenever we start the application right here, and then we are creating this FFmpeg instance. So all the browsers support FFmpeg WebAssembly: Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer. So all the modern browsers support it. So no problem will be there if you deploy this. You can even deploy this application to Vercel, DigitalOcean, anything, and you can even rank this website on Google as well and earn a lot of revenue as well. This is actually the overall website. The link is given, guys. You can go to my website procodestore.com and purchase the full source code of this project. So for longer files, it will take some more time because it totally depends upon the size of your video file. So it totally depends upon the length of the video, how much length of the video is there. So I think maximum amount of video it supports is 2 gigabyte, because FFmpeg WebAssembly, if you see, if you just write the limit it supports, maximum file size it can support up to 2 gigabyte of file. So if you have a video or audio file up to 2 gigabyte, you can actually convert this using this application. Files above that it is not supported, and in the near future it will, but at this moment it is not supported. So you'll see it's a 410 megabytes file is there. So depending upon that, it basically do that. So it's a video and audio converter, and so you can see that this is MP3. You can basically select any format which is OGG, click convert, and you will see that. So for audio files, it will not take a lot of time because their size is very low. So if you go to the package.json, basically we are using these FFmpeg core, FFmpeg, and we are using the Next.js latest version, which is 13.3. At this moment it is 14, but it will compatible with all the Next.js versions. We are using React 18 right there. So we're using the latest technologies for building this project. So The link is given, guys, at the checkout page. You will also find a live demo link as well, where you can actually try this application before purchasing it. So in my opinion, it's a very good application if you need to get started by building some kind of real application. So you will see that the file you selected is already in the selected codec. So if I want to convert to double AC, we'll see that. So it's a real-time application. And if you like this video, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. The link is given. You can directly purchase the full source code of this application.